Hello, g'day. My name's Andrew. I work down here at Charlie Parker's, a little cocktail bar on Oxford Street, and I've got a couple cocktails to show you today. First one I'm going to start with is a cocktail called the Southside, popularized by Al Capone back in pre-Prohibition era. And for our gin, we're going to be using the Monkey 47 with a great spice built and some grapefruit citrus in there. So I'm going to get 60 mils of that fella. We've got lime juice here to add a bit of acidity, 30 mils of that guy there, and a bit of sugar syrup. Sweeten it up. Our fresh mint, picked only moments ago. Gonna crack a bit of ice in there and get our glass ready. A bit of shake. And we're gonna fine strain him into our coupette there. And of course, we can't forget a garnish. Beautiful, fresh lime leaf. Enjoy. Here at Charlie Parker's, one of our point of differences is we have a herb garden on our rooftop, which we grow a bunch of fresh produce. Along with that, keep bees to produce honey, which we like to incorporate into some of our cocktails. And that helps us create our next drink, the oregano. First, we're gonna grab a fresh, frosty glass. Gonna get a bit of our beautiful Plymouth gin here, classic English style gin. We're gonna add a bit of lemon juice, but also some verjus here, which is essentially grape juice, adding a more subtle acidity. As to not overpower our next ingredient, fresh oregano soda, which we pick fresh from the rooftop, add a bit of our honey as well, and then carbonate it to add some bubbles to it. Finally, got a beautiful big thin block of ice, which we're gonna crack down, slap that puppy in there, and to garnish, we wanna get a lovely little stem of oregano. Add some beautiful aromatic notes there. Alrighty, for our third and final drink, we have a drink in-house known as the Kiwi Vermouth, which is a twist on a dry gin martini, involving 3 elements. First of which being is our Beefeater gin, classic London dry gin. Next, a Kiwi Vermouth we make in-house by fermenting kiwis with honey from our rooftop over the course of 3 weeks. Finally, we make a Macroot lime water to help cut the edge off both those elements when combined, creating, in our mind, the perfect gin martini. To make that one, we have a 75 ml pour of our batch of blended ingredients. We're next gonna chuck a bit of ice in there. Now we wanna be careful not to over dilute our drink here, as we're just trying to cool it off. Beautiful. We're gonna strain that in there. And finally, to garnish, we have a Macroot lime leaf coin. Gonna add some beautiful aromatics when sipping. Enjoy.